every time I see you, you make my heart say, ooh, yeah.
What's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this super cute half up half down crochet style that only took me about an hour to do. So let's get started. I'm starting with clean and conditioned hair, and I went ahead and detangled and also separated the front and back of my hair into two sections. Now we're going to get into braiding up the back. This is the Bonita Apple Balm Cream from the Dew. You can get this line and this product at Target. I really love this stuff. It's super hydrating, very conditioning. Just putting that over my hair and just going to do another slight detangle and then going to proceed to braiding my hair straight back. Now for the braids for this style, you don't need to do them small. I did medium-sized braids. You can do large braids if you want, but they don't have to be super neat. Just a nice solid base for you to install your crochets. You just want to make sure the perimeter has braids there so you can mask the crochets. So once I'm done with the braids, I'm just going to go ahead and take the ends of the braids and crochet them upward so I can have a nice flat base for this mini install that I'm about to do. So the hair that I'm using is this Havana Mega Connect-A-Lawn Jumbo Senegalese twists, and I'm just going to unravel these and expose the curls and make them look really nice and cute. I saw another blogger on Instagram, I can't remember her name, but she used Jumbo Senegalese twist for a crochet install, and I was like, that's so cute. So I'm definitely going to do that. And there's no particular reason why I chose this hair. This is just what I had available for me. Originally I wanted something longer, but 14 inches obviously turned out really cute. So I'm just going to go through the process of installing these crochets a few times just so you can get a nice visual. And I actually did them two different ways. So I did this way that I just showed you and that I'm showing you right now. You pull in the crochet hook, you expose the loop, and you hook the hair around it, you close the latch, you pull the ends through, and then you tighten it. And then I also did it this way, which the first process is the exact same. You put in the needle, you expose the hook, you wrap the hair around the hook, then you pull the hair through like this and you pull it tight. But then I went ahead, just to make it extra secure, I tied it one more time. So these babies aren't going anywhere. I'm just going to show you that one more time. And here we go. I hope this visual is good for you guys to understand how to install the crochets. If not, I do have a ton of crochet installation videos for you to explore, and you can check out the description box for that playlist, or you can click to the top right and you can navigate to the playlist. So I'm just going through and fluffing out my hair, making sure these curls are nice and popping. I really do love the way this hair looks unraveled. And bam, she's cute. She's really cute. Love, 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 love this style. So now for the finishing touches, I'm just going to take some Eco Styler gel and brush my hair up into a nice bun. Oh, by the way, I do have 4B type hair. I honestly, next time I do this style, I'm going to use a texture of crochet hair that's a bit more softer so it can blend and look more natural. But if you have 4C hair, this Connect-A-Lawn Jumbo Senegalese twist hair will match your hair perfectly and beautifully. So once I have my hair in a ponytail, I just did a braid and wrapped it around to create a braided bun. I'm just going to lay these edges. So I'm using a toothbrush and Eco Styler gel. And then once I have everything down and laid the way I wanted, I did go in with a little bit of my Got To Be glue gel just to really secure those edges down. And now I am actually crocheting into that braided bun that I put down. And the visual says it all, baby. The visual says it all. Now I do wish I would have stopped right here, only put in a few pieces so my bun could be a bit more petite and a bit more sleek, but I did go in with a pack and a half. And oh, actually initially I wanted to wear a ponytail, half up, half down, but last minute I was like, I want something that will sculpt my face better. So I decided to put my hair in a bun. So you'll see this transition. By the way, my camera cut off, so I could not record how I wrapped my hair in a bun, but if you do this style, you will easily be able to figure out how to wrap it in a bun. You just take the hair at the top and you wrap it around. And I actually only took about half of the hair that I crocheted in at the top and wrapped it around in a bun so I can get this look. So you'll see, like in the back, you can tell that some of the hair is like flowing over, but it actually worked because it helped to mask the crochets that I put in the back. Thank you, babes, so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you would like to see more natural hair tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know what you guys think of this style down below in the comments, and if there is any particular style you would like me to try out. As always, peace and love. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.